Remember that last scene in Goldfinger, where Goldfinger and James Bond battled it out at Fort Knox? Well, here's where it's supposed to have happened.
Fort Knox is a military base built in 1935, 30 miles outside of Louisville, Kentucky. Fort Knox contains a bullion depository, often referred to simply as Fort Knox. This bullion depository is regarded as one of the most secure vaults in existence. Fort Knox is operated by the United States Treasury and is known to contain over half of the Treasury's stored gold. The initial purpose of the facility was to hold gold transferred from New York City and Philadelphia to an inland location in the case of a foreign military attack. The first gold shipment arrived in Fort Knox by USPS train in 1937. Fort Knox holds the largest quantity of gold among all of the U.S. Mint's gold depositories. As of 2018, Fort Knox houses approximately 147.3 million troy ounces of gold, nearly 5,000 tons. Fort Knox is known as being one of the most secure facilities in the country. No one person knows every procedure necessary to open the vault. Very few people have been to the facility. Franklin D. Roosevelt is the only president to have been inside the vault. The vault is so well protected that during the Second World War, the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, and the Bill of Rights were secretly moved to Fort Knox for the duration of the war. There have been other items kept within the vault throughout history, such as the Gutenberg Bible, the Magna Carta, and the Gettysburg Address. Pick up the phone and call U.S. Money Reserve, and we'll get you started securing your financial future today.